The coil. You have the coil size tab. Here I already created a coil. I'll pick on it. I will select and edit the coil. And I've created the coil, but you notice it's going down below my cylinder. I want to switch that axis, flip the axis, so it's going above. We're going to go over to our coil size. Now, we have different types. Right now I'm in pitch and revolution. Remember, a pitch is from if I'm looking at the coil, it's for the distance in between coils. We have the revolution and the height, so we can choose the revolution and the height, and it will figure out then the number of revolutions it will need, and it will actually determine then the pitch for you. Rather, we can say we want a certain pitch and a certain height, or if we just want spiral, this is for a coil, a spiral coil on one singular plane. So I'm going to go with pitch and revolution. I'm going to go and say, well, I just did one revolution here, so let's change that to, say, 5. And you can see now I got 5 revolutions with a pitch of 10, and I'm starting here and I'm ending up here. And I can change my taper. If I wanted to taper in any direction, I can say I want to measure a taper. So I can come in and I can actually put a measuring tape on there. I can come in here and say, or I can just say I want it to go 5 degrees. And right now it's going outwards. If I want it to go negative 5 degrees, it's going in to create kind of a taperness. So let me exaggerate a little bit here, 25. You see how much taper is. So if I was doing just like a little incense, mosquito incense or something like that, it would burn down starting at the top and go down till it gets to the base. So you can use a taper if you like, and we set the number of revolutions and our pitch in millimeters, and I'm going to say OK. And I've created my coil using my coil size tab.